Hello guys, what's up? This is Dinkar Chaudhary back with another video, and in this video we are going to unbox a mystery box that has been sent to us by Brawl Stars. So I'm a Brawl Stars Hindi caster. I have been casting a lot of matches lately. I have done the monthly championship that held last month and the month before that as well. I'll be casting the world championship as well. That will be happening on 21st of November. So I've got this box. This is a special caster box. It also says caster slash Dinkar Chaudhary. I cast the matches in Hindi language, but I'll be doing a lot of Brawl Stars video on my channel. So if you want to subscribe for that content, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much guys for joining in. Let's get started with the unboxing. First of all, I'll cut the box open. So guys, inside the box we have another beautiful box in yellow and blue color covered with the bubble wrap. We'll be removing the box and the bubble wrap, and then we'll be seeing what's inside the box. So if you talk about the overview of the box, it looks beautiful in yellow and blue color. We have World Finals 2020 written on it, so we'll be having the World Finals 2020 on 21st November, I guess. We have been seeing a lot of action in the monthly finals, and the top teams from those finals have reached the World Finals that will be happening on 21 November. So do tune into the action in English language and Hindi language as well if you want to watch it. Let's just open the box. We'll be removing the bubble wrap and we will be digging right into the box. So on top you have Brawl Stars World Finals 2020 written on that. On the right corner you have the Supercell thing written as well, 2020 copyright Supercell, and you have the Brawl Stars World Finals 2020 logo on top of that as well. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. So as soon as you open the box, you will be greeted with a very beautiful message which says, "Hi, we think you're awesome." There is a note on the back as well. I didn't read it while I was unboxing it, so the note is uploaded on my Instagram. If you want to have a look at the note, there's a little short letter to the caster, so if you want to read it, you can come down to my Instagram. The link will be provided in the description. Now talking about the next thing inside the box, is it is a carry bag that you can use for traveling purposes. It has a very beautiful, if you talk about it, it has that Brawl Stars vibe to it, and you can see the star on the top of the bag which gives you that vibe. So amazing stuff. If you talk about the quality of the bag, it's very good. I'll be definitely using it for traveling, and after this we'll be moving on to the next stuff that is inside the box. So let's put it aside for a little while. Now the next thing, it looks like a beautiful hoodie to me, which has Colt written on top. Again, one of the if you talk about it, it is one of those brawlers which you get like when you are starting the Brawl Stars. When you're starting, you get like Shelly, then you have Colt as well, one of the veteran brawlers, I would say one of the oldest brawlers, and then you have it written at the front. On the back you have the logo as well. So again, the Brawl Stars themed hoodie, I would say. Amazing stuff. The color combination is very good as well. I would love wearing it, and I will be doing it in the future as well. So now we'll be moving towards the next step, or towards the next object. So I guess it's going to be a mouse pad. Looking at the shape of the box, the cylindrical box, we have seen a lot of mouse pads coming in those kinds of box, and yes, it's a tremendous looking, beautiful looking, amazing looking mouse pad with a lot of Brawl Stars characters who look amazing on that mouse pad. Beautiful marking done. If you talk about it, the next thing is there are 4 pins which you can attach on your t-shirts. Again, those cute little pins that you can attach on your t-shirt or hoodie, whatever you want. The next thing inside the box, it's going to be a stainless steel glass, which has if you talk about the front of the glass, if you talk about the it has a black paint on it, and then there's the Brawl Stars logo as well. You can drink anything you want. It's a stainless steel glass. So I guess that's it. This is the cover for the mouse pad. If you talk about the mother box of the mouse pad, actually this is the cover for that. So that's it for the box. We have seen some amazing stuff. Thank you so much for coming in. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, and if you want to have more content on Brawl Stars, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.